So Tata is back with the all new Nexon. Well, not exactly new, but they now have the Camo Edition with the new variant. So let me tell you the price of this now. The Camo Edition will start off with the creative variant and the price will start at rupees 9.99 lakh. Before going further, let me just show you the engine bay and tell you about this. So basically it will be available in diesel, CNG and petrol. So this what we have is the turbo petrol variant. So the engine on all three will remain the same. Obviously the CNG and the petrol one is powered by a 1.2 liter turbo petrol engine and the diesel is powered by a 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine. So, and it will be available in automatic, manual, every variant. So now the changes that they have done, some of the changes will be in the base variant as well. That is the creative variant from which the Camo Edition starts. Now the very front end, you will notice that you have LED lighting setup over here, your DRLs over here. So it has this gloss black finishing over here, and now you can see you get a front parking camera. So obviously this is a part of the 360-degree camera, but the good part about this camera is that now this camera acts as a dash cam as well. So you don't need to put a separate dash camera over there. All the four cameras that you see, two on the ORVMs, one at the back and one at the front, they will act as a dash cam, and inbuilt you will have 1 GB of memory that is given in the car. Well, you have a USB where you can put a USB up to 256 GB and record things. So yes, that is a really nice feature that Tata has given. So on a case of like an incident, maybe hard braking or maybe a crash or something like that, this will automatically record in the internal storage, that is the 1 GB one. Now, apart from the 4 cameras that are over here for the 360-degree camera, there is a 5th camera right over here. Now, this is for the level 1 ADAS that this car gets. So it has level 1 ADAS, that means it has autonomous braking, it has lane keep assist and other 5 other ADAS features. In total, there are 7 ADAS features in this level 1 ADAS. It's only a camera based thing. There is no radar in this. If you move to the side over here, now before we move, you have 2 color options in the Camo Edition. Now this is the Munnar Mist and the one that you see over there is the Coorg Cloud. So these 2 colors will be available with the Camo Edition, and if you come to the side over here, you can see you now get this camo badge over here, and apart from that you have everything that it remains the same. So you have alloy wheels. Now the alloy wheels will be there in the base variant also, but it will be a different set of alloy wheels. 16-inch, the size will remain the same. Apart from that, there's a lot of blacked out finish that this car gets, piano black finish. There's no chrome on the side. Piano black is there on the ORVM as well. You have silver finished roof rails over here and you have a shark fin antenna right there. So, and this part is finished in a little bit of a matte black, but rest everything is finished in gloss black and it's looking really nice with this color. So the best thing about this color is that this color is like a shifting color. So whether light falls on a different panel at a different angle, so you get a different, like a silver kind of a feel, then you get a dark green kind of a feel. So yeah, it kind of changes color. That looks really nice. You also get the Nexon badging over here. Now this thing is finished in obviously the chrome variant, and boot remains the same. So there's no change done to the boot. You have a subwoofer here from JBL that actually sounds really amazing. The Tata sound system is really nice, and you can see you have this connected tail light that looks really good. So now let's move on to the inside and tell you what exactly do you get on the inside of the Camo Edition. Now, the very first thing is obviously most of the things will remain the same. Now, let me just quickly adjust the seat over here. Okay, so you get the manual seats for both driver and passenger, but you have seat ventilation that is right over here. You have 3 levels of seat ventilation. You have this kind of a texture over here on the dashboard, and the new thing is now this gets a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and before that it used to get about a 10.5-inch. So the cluster remains the same over here. Now the cluster and both of these things will come in the base variant as well. So the base variant will get alloy wheels, will get this, and will also get 360-degree camera that will feature your dash cam recording as well. Now if you see over here, there is this USB slot right over here. So this USB slot is for your dash cam. So whenever you are recording something and you want some extra memory, so you can place it over here. The steering wheel remains the same. You can adjust the steering wheel for tilt only. There is no telescopic function. You have an auto dimming IRVM right over here. There's your sunroof. Now it is kind of a panoramic sunroof, so, and I think it opens till here only. So yeah, that's the sunroof. And I mean, it's not a very big sunroof, but yes, you definitely get a decent sized sunroof over here. Now, another thing are these seats, and obviously, as I mentioned, these are ventilated seats, and you have this camo badge on the seat as well. So yeah, camo badge on the outside and camo badge on the seat as well. However, you have the JBL sound system, as I showed you at the boot also. There's the JBL sound system. So the sound system of this is really amazing. Now, let me move to the back section and show you what do you get over there. So the very first thing that you will notice are these sunshades over here. So this gets these sunshades as well. So over here you have the sunshades, and obviously you have gloss black finish. You have this chrome on the door handle, and yes, you have two headrests over here, but you have this armrest. The third person does not get a head over here. You have two cup holders, and you have charging sockets over here, and the AC vent is right here. So yeah, and the sunroof actually comes till here, so it is a pretty decent size sunroof for this car. Apart from that, yeah, there are no changes done to this vehicle. Well, let me just recollect the changes for you. So first of all, it gets the big touchscreen on the inside. Then you have the camo paint scheme. You have two versions of that. It is available from the creative variant, that is from 9.99 lakh ex showroom. That's the introductory price. It's available in CNG, in petrol, and in the diesel variants as well. Apart from that, you have alloy wheels in the base variant, and you have the two touchscreen, that is your touchscreen and the cluster as well, and you have the 360-degree camera also. So yes, this was the all new Nexon Camo Edition. I hope you like this car. I hope this color is very interesting. I hope you will be able to see a little bit of a color shift here and there when we move the camera. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Pramit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.